Hi guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today I'm going to show you how to make the easiest appetizer ever. My husband and I went to Extra Virgin, which is downtown in Kansas City, and this was an appetizer that we got there and it was so good. So all you need are shishito peppers, sea salt, and some oil. That's it. Let's go. All right, step one is to just get some high temp oil started in a pan. You don't want to use olive oil because it burns too easily. So I'm just using some canola oil here. And while that heats up, I'm going to go wash and dry these peppers. You don't want water on them while you put it in oil because it will pop and burn you. Oil and water are not friends. I'm also going to line a large bowl with a paper towel just to catch any extra oil. All right, our pot of oil is ready, so I'm going to put some of these in a basket just so I can keep my hand kind of farther away from it. And we're just going to drop them in. We're going to flash fry them until they blister. Like that. Then we'll take them out, put them in our paper towel covered bowl, and then just pinch a little bit of sea salt over them. That is literally it. So throw them in. They do kind of pop because they have water in them, so be careful. But right when they blister is when you want to take them out. A last little sprinkling of salt. We'll get them kind of mixed around. And there you guys have it. This is the quickest and easiest, most delicious appetizer ever. So I hope you guys give it a try. All you do now is just take it by the stem, take a bite, and enjoy. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this. And I hope to see you again very soon. Thanks guys. Bye.